After you have gathered your ingredients and your container, go ahead and wash your cucumber. Peel it if you like, and cut it up however you like. Next, you're going to thinly slice the onion. I like onion. I like a lot of onion. But if you don't want it overpowering, just add a little bit. But make sure it's thinly sliced. Next, you're going to add your dry herbs. Here you can see I have 2 containers. One container has the red pepper flakes added. The other one does not. Then you're going to take your olive oil and you're going to pour it over the top of your cucumbers and your seasoning. Go ahead and secure your lid. Make sure it's secure, and then we shake. And now we shake. Good, healthy for you. You can make it right at home. So, put it in your fridge and keep it 5 to 7 days until it's all gone. Enjoy. I send love and light to all those who send it to me. I send it right back to you, ×3. You've been hanging with the good vibes, Gemini. I'll see you next time.